This is AUTEL EVO II Pro, and today I'll show how you can calibrate or perhaps recalibrate the remote controller in this drone. In the beginning, launch the AUTEL Explorer app and enter the camera feed. From here, look for this cog icon and press it to launch settings. Now inside the settings, select the remote controller category. Then go for the remote controller calibration, start calibration, and now position your control sticks into all of those directions and hold them once positioned for a second, or about a second. So top one, top left, top right. By the way, the order that you do those things in doesn't matter, just as long as you do them all. Now let's do that for the second stick control as well. And the final piece of calibration is to calibrate this knob you have here. So put it in the leftmost position and into the rightmost position as well. And as you can see, the calibration is successful. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.